Hey everybody, Rick from STP here. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on at STP. Right now, James and I are in Boston, Massachusetts, doing a site visit for the STPCon Fall 2019 conference. We are here in the Boston Harbor, just checking out the property, make sure we have enough space and everything like that for all of the software testing pros that will be joining us in September for the fall conference. This is just a great property. One of the things I really enjoy about it is actually the view. Let me flip the camera around here so you can kind of check that out. This is just outstanding. We are actually on the water. It is really, really kind of cool. James and I took a water taxi over to Boston just last night to do some walking around and eating some great food here in Boston. Great thing is right here is the dock for the hotel. The water taxis pick you up right here, and then they drive you all the way across the harbor over there. And as a matter of fact, tonight we're just going to go to a Red Sox game. So our website will be up soon. It'll be at stpcon.com. Definitely go and check it out. We're going to have lots of great sessions, workshops, keynotes, and lots of networking to do here in the Boston Harbor at the Hyatt Regency Boston Harbor Hotel. We're going to be here from September 23rd to the 26th. Check it out, and we hope to see you there. Bye-bye.